guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your coach Odos Kelvin. On today's episode, I'll be teaching you guys on how to open a POS business with just 200,000. But before we continue on this lecture, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Feel free to ask questions on the comment section. So on how to open a lucrative POS business, there are things that you have to consider. They are very important. You have to consider the location. The location is very important. The location has to be secure. I mean it again, very secure environment, because your handling money is like a mini bank, so you have to look for a secure environment, and the environment has to be populated. It has to have enough population. You don't need to open a POS business in a lonely place. You need people so that your business can move forward. More people sees your business, more they will patronize it. So population is very important in this business. So the next thing that you have to consider again is the type of POS that you will use in this business. Since you are starting very small with the sum of 200,000, you have to look for a POS that will make your business grow very well. There are various types of business, but what you have to consider in choosing this type of POS is that you have POS from the bank, you have POS from various merchants. The things that you have to consider in the charges, some POS charges, they are very high, so you have to look for a POS that their charges is very low. You have to look for the target. Some target they are very high, and if you cannot meet up with those targets, they will just block your POS, and that will not be good for you since you are starting small, and that will cost you extra money. So you have to look for a POS that has a very low target. It is very important. So we have various POS in the market now. We have from the merchant, we have from the bank, we have the like of Money Point, we have the like of Pay Center, we have the like of Dot Pay. So in the course of this lecture, I will recommend Money Point. There are reasons why I'm recommending Money Point. Money Point is very fast in network, and network is very important in this business. You need good network to function very well. Once you have a good network, you will not have any problem doing this business. But if you have a bad network, you'll be shocked at the way you will lose out from this business. So it is very important that you have a good network. That's why I recommend Money Point. I'm recommending Money Point in the course of this lecture, not because for advertisement purpose, but just for recommendation. So with that, you'll be able to start a POS business with just 200,000. Thank you very much. I'll watch out for my next video. I love you all. Thank you.